What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use a zero turn mower. So before you turn it on, you want to make sure your parking brake's on or it will not turn on. And then after that, make sure your bars are out and everything. And you will turn your key until it turns on. Once it's turned on, this is your throttle right here, and you want to slowly push it up until it's up all the way. This right here activates your blades, so I'm showing you how to turn it on and use it and everything. This activates your blades right here. And then this right here, that's your deck down there. This lowers the deck, so if I press all the way down on that, and I turn this, it'll lower it. Push all the way back down, twist it back, then it'll lock it in place there, so it'll be high up. So sometimes you might be going over gravel and you need it to be a little higher up or something, so you don't chunk rocks everywhere. But anyway, yeah, you gotta always make sure your parking brake's up. Right now I got the blades turned off. But anyway, I'm gonna turn it on now. And see if I do this, tie that down, it won't turn on, see? So make sure that's up. And then of course, you know, make sure before you turn it off you have the throttle all the way back down. And then of course when you're ready to go, just put your bars together. And then yeah, and I'm doing this with one hand, but normally you'd have a hand on this bar and a hand on this bar. When you go forward, and I can't do it with it turned off, but I don't want to speak over the engine, but you'll push them forward if you want to go forward, push them both back if you want to go back. If you want to go to the right, then you'll do it like this. Like I said, you'd have your left hand here and right hand here. You would do them like this. They'll turn to the right. If you want to go to the left, you do them like that. They'll go to the left. So try to see if I can forward, backward, right, left. And just one more thing before I go, the bars are not even, so that's the weird thing about this machine. You would think the bars are even, but they're actually not. Like this bar, I think is just a little bit, they're not exactly matched up. They look like they are now.